Saber. Nasa si Saber?
Killing spree.
A king's glory, a crown's legacy. In the end, just lies.
Bakit silang lahat?
Is the faith of the weak.
Tumampal na po. Wait lang, ba't ang pati?
Double kill. Launch attack.
3, 2, 1.
Mega kill.
Continue, Arit! Ang sakit! Lubak ulit. Andyan din sila, andyan Lucas. Walang sampal si Franco.
Gather up the turtles.
Turtle! Buti na lang walang ulti yun. Nag-flicker na siya.
The enemy has slain the turtle.
Yun lang.
Is this the eternity I was promised?
Naon sa mani! Naon sa mani! Ginagawa ni Saber Parts! Naon sa mani!
Who says everything must end?
Kill.
Good work.
Good work.
Careful. The enemy is missing. Initiate retreat.
There's no battle.
Monster kill. Not ready. Push first.
Tara, push top.
All will praise his name. The defier of death.
Naon sa DI. Naon sa mani. Hello, Randy. Wait lang.
All things perish. I remain.
Push ka lang dyan. Dito, Franco.
Destroy the turret.
Mine.
Paket din nata si Silvia.
Your life
Nawawala
is
si
a taste of
Silvia.
eternity.
Naon sa mani. But.
Back up.
Alo ka.
Initiate retreat.
Nothing.
Killing spree. Careful. The enemy is missing. Ult is not ready. Double kill.
Get ready.
Nga, push bot. Turtle ako. Wait.
Destroy the turret. Gather up the turtles.
Ito na nga.
An ally has launched attack. Request backup.
Insatiable is my craving.
Request backup.
I seized eternity. Increase my rage.
Di pa nakakapag ulti si Franco.
Ally has been slain. Slain an enemy.
Be free from your life.
Team destroyed the turret.
Nagtsakal eh. Nagtsakal!
Request
Natsakal po.
attack.
Natsakal ka po. Araw ko po. Lupat na tsakal. Vengeance. Ano to? Natsampal na tsakal. Natuklaw. Left po. I push.
Destroyed a turret.
For defying the world, I was handed eternal reign.
Grabe, pag may ganito kang skin, parang may dagdag na damage. Ewan ko. Ang daya. Parang ang lawak ng range niya. Ito mo yan, o, diba? Yung normal skin, hindi naman ganun kahaba. Yan eh. Oh. Mas parang humaba.
Initiate retreat.
Kailan mag-iiba yung color ko? Woo! Slice it to the left and slice it to the right. No ulti yan. Ubos.
Double kill. Wipe out. Lord, we're ahead. Retreat from the Lord. Turret.
Pag 10 kills talaga. Daya naman pag hindi ako nag 10 kills, hindi mag-iiba yung color.
Retreat from the Lord.
Dapat ang ginawa na lang ni Mooncon sa pag nag 10 minutes.
Team destroyed a turret.
Or kaya pag nag 15 minutes.
Gather at the Lord.
Diba?
Death's inevitable. Pity you are burdened with innocence.
Launch attack.
Takot siya
All
eh.
will fear his name. The ravenous lord, the insatiable one.
Iba yung kate. Ang kati ng pusikat! Aray! Kati na nga ako. Hindi, di mo na lang.
Initiate retreat. Ally has been slain.
Hindi, parang magpapahunat na lang kaya. Hindi. Tutuloy ko na lang ang ating emo.
Battle spell is ready.
Who says everything must end?
Ult is not ready. Wait.
There will be blood. Ravenous claw!
Launch attack.
Kailangan Lucas, guys.
Mortality
Delikado
is
kay
the
Lucas.
cruelest trick played upon us.
Ult is ready.
Yun.
Launch attack. Free.
Ayun, si Phoebus pala pwede mag-front eh.
Request
Lord po ah.
More!
Launch attack.
Go with it.
Have been slain.
Ba't ako bumalag sa kanya? Ang kati niya, be.
Launch attack.
An everlasting tribute for the eternal king.
Walang kwenta yung rose gold sa kanya, boss.